Easy Crew, Bryony Sander Printers back at you, mate. Yeah, good news. Good news. I've got to say, thumbs up to Resolute for sorting this out for me. You know, Colin got in touch and said to me, like, can't have me out of action for an amount of time. And he sent over John. John was also kind enough to show me how to align the head. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing some test prints on it, see how it does. So I'll let you know, guys, how that goes. John, top man, came round and they replaced the screen. Everything's all working thanks to Resolute. Guys, I can't thank you enough. Also, I just want to say this as well. If you're buying a DTG printer out there, make sure you get good customer support. Make sure the company that you're buying the stuff from gives you good support. Resolute back me all the way, and they're always there for me when there's a problem. Despite the fact that Rico has still not sorted out a resolution, Resolute have sorted out a resolution. Many thanks to all the Rico users that came forward as well, made their comments on this. I just want to say thank you very much. This is now resolved and I'm happy as Larry. That's all up and running now. Our DTG saga is all done and dusted, so I'm happy to say, totally elated that we're now back up and running. So guys, on with my day. Peace out.